Ancient pyramids in an icy landscape. Was there an ancient civilization in Antarctica? In 2016, viral images from Google Earth showcased pyramid-shaped mountain peaks in Antarctica's icy terrain, the coldest continent on Earth. These images revealed three four-sided pyramids, resembling the famous pyramids of Giza in Egypt. Could these structures have been built by an ancient civilization? Who built the Antarctica pyramids? Various theories exist regarding the origin of these pyramids. Some of the most controversial suggestions propose that they are remnants of an ancient Atlantean civilization or even structures built by extraterrestrials. The discovery of pollen in 2009 reinforced the notion that trees once existed in Antarctica at a much earlier stage in history. Experts suggest this may have been around 12 million years ago. In fact, scientists have long confirmed that if we travel back in time, say 100 million years, Antarctica was covered in lush forests, mountains, lakes, and possibly fjords. If the discovery made 4 years ago were indeed man-made, or built by extraterrestrials, it would force us to completely rewrite the history of our existence on this planet. Meanwhile, other researchers have proposed a natural geological explanation for the Antarctica pyramids. These scientists believe that the formations could be nunataks, which are mountain peaks protruding above the surrounding ice, naturally shaped by erosion and weathering. Two of the Antarctica pyramids are located 16 kilometers inland, while the third pyramid is near the coastline. The discovery suggests that Antarctica may have been inhabited by humans around 6,000 years ago, approximately the same period when pyramids were being constructed in the Old World. Dr. Charles Hapgood's research supports the possibility of an ancient civilization existing on this now ice-covered continent. In his book, Maps of the Ancient Sea Kings, he published the Piri Reis Map of Antarctica, a 16th-century map that shocked historians by depicting Antarctica without ice. The Piri Reis Map was discovered in Turkey and later analyzed by the U.S. Navy's Hydrographic Office in 1953. After examination, Chief Engineer M.I. Walters sent it to Arlington H. Mallory, who concluded that the map was incredibly accurate and could have been copied from an original map made 6,000 years ago. Confirmation of the Piri Reis Map. The Piri Reis Map of Antarctica is remarkably precise. Using seismic sound waves and ultrasound technology, researchers discovered mountain ranges and plateaus beneath the thick Antarctic ice sheet, which aligned perfectly with the coastal geography depicted in the Piri Reis Map. Ohlmeyer, leader of the British-Swedish Antarctic expedition, wrote a letter to Dr. Charles Hapgood, stating, "Dear Professor, your request for an evaluation of certain unusual features in the Piri Reis Antarctica map of 1513 has been examined seriously. The claim that the lower portion of the map represents the Princess Martha Coast of Queen Maud Land, Antarctica, and the Palmer Peninsula is highly plausible. We believe this interpretation is both logical and scientifically sound. The geographic details displayed in the lower section of the map align closely with seismic profile results recorded by the 1949 Swedish-British Antarctic expedition. This suggests that the coastline was mapped before it was covered in ice, an ice sheet that is now approximately 1.6 kilometers thick." Ohlmeyer's letter confirmed Dr. Charles Hapgood's theory that the Piri Reis Map was likely copied from an ancient source. Dr. Hapgood asserted in Maps of the Ancient Sea Kings that, although the Piri Reis Map featured latitude and longitude drawn with traditional geometric projections, its original source must have been an even older map. Furthermore, Hapgood claimed that the creator of the Piri Reis Map used spherical trigonometry, a mathematical technique believed to have been developed only in the 18th century, despite the Piri Reis Map dating back to 1513. Regardless of the true origin of Antarctica's icy pyramids, their discovery continues to fuel speculation about whether Antarctica was inhabited by humans thousands of years ago.